there's a lot to break down here, but what are the top 3 tips you'd give to someone to create a great YouTube thumbnail?
Oh, wow.
3 tips.
Jumping right in here, because that is so very intelligent, Mark, that you understand the value of thumbnails. Every single video that is watched on YouTube was first a thumbnail that was clicked. And so to get someone to watch a video, you do have to have a great looking thumbnail, which is an image that visually represents the video and sort of functions as, you know, almost like on Netflix or on Hulu, right? It's, you see an image of the show and you click into it. So big 3 tips that I would suggest for your thumbnails is, number 1, think of your thumbnails first. Before you sketch out your video notes, is talk about what is the thumbnail that you're going to use? What is the imagery that you want to represent that video? You've got to be thinking about thumbnails first. And you don't have to make the thumbnail first, but think about the thumbnail concept and what that image looks like. And as you're filming the video and moving forward in that process, which might take you a week or it might take you a day. You know, some people produce videos really fast, other people it takes them a little longer. But as you're filming it, think about, oh, okay, does that thumbnail concept really fit with the video that I just made? Okay. Yeah. And you're letting that concept sort of sizzle first from the very beginning. The second thing is create emotion with your thumbnail, right? Think about, what do I want my viewer to feel when they're looking at this thumbnail? Is it a happy emotion? Is it a sad emotion? Is it a confused, like, I don't know. You want to emphasize the confusion, right? Do I pick A or B? And you can do like a split test thumbnail. But whatever it is, you have to be asking yourself, what emotional trigger are you pulling here? And if your response is, well, I don't know, then I'm challenging you right now to think a little bit harder.
Thanks for watching Mark SAVANT Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark SAVANT Media.